Savita Engineering College, Autonomous. 1000 plus students placed till now, 96% students placed in 2020 batch, and best engineering college in India with incredible placement record. Ranked 124 by NIRF, National Institute of Ranking Framework. Ranked among top 10%, 124 by 969 engineering colleges in India, including IITs and NITs. And accredited as A grade by NAAC with a high score of 3.1944 and accredited by NBA and ranked as top 5% colleges in Tamil Nadu with AAA by Careers 360, the complete career magazine. It has 19 centers of excellence, 148 MOUs with reputed industries, and 2042 publications. Disclaimer: this information is collected from various sources in the internet only for the information purpose. The user is advised to confirm the accuracy of this data. The courses offered at Savita Engineering College Autonomous are Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Robotics and Engineering, Information Technology, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Engineering, Medical Electronics, Civil Engineering, Chemical Engineering, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, and Agricultural Engineering. Of marks for this college for various castes are: for OC it is 179 to 185, for BCM it is 173 to 181, for BC it is 175 to 182, for MBC it is 167 to 179, for SC it is 133 to 154. Facilities at Savita Engineering College. Study Flex System. The unique Study Flex system at Savita gives freedom to the students to choose their courses, faculty, and timings. The college believes in creating an independent, self-sufficient, and happy professional. The students are attached with mentor who helps them to design their personalized course map and plan according to complete the degree successfully. This will help the student to be more responsible and will have a clear idea of what he or she is studying in his 4 year of study. And SLRC, Savita Learning Resource Center. It is an ultra-modern library with central support services for academics and research, which include modern facilities and resources in the form of DVDs, online databases, e-journals, e-books, audio-video cassettes, books, journals, project reports, thesis, etc. The online journal section with its wide range of international e-journals, IEEE, ASTM, ASCE, Springer, CSE, Mechanical, JGate, Wiley Online, and Science Direct, etc. enhances the undergraduate, graduate, and doctoral and the faculty member research. SFLC, Savita Foreign Language Center, is tirelessly working to transform the lives of students who aspire to think global. In its march towards this goal, SFLC offers 6 foreign languages, namely French, German, Spanish, Japanese, Chinese, and Korean. And the other facilities are recreation club, sports and games, delicious hostel mess, pure RO water, gym, hospital, bus, yoga, canteen, weekly movie, Wi-Fi campus, and shops. Recruiters for Savita Engineering College are Capgemini, Biju's the Learning App, Systec, Texosis, Simplify Your Success, IBM, Infosys, World Data, Vernalis, Tata Consultancy Services, CAR, Carvi, Aspire Systems, Mindtree, Pathfront, Sutherland, Zoho, Jaro Education, IBM, IDBI Bank, and Emphasis, and many more. The result comparison for this college from 2013 to 2017 is from 57% to 79%. In 2013, 57%. In 2014, it is 78. 2015, it is 64. 2016 it is 79, and in 2017 it is 65%. The college code is 1216. Contact college at 9144 6672 6690, 6672 6603, 6672 6604. Website is http://www.savita.ac.in. College is located at Savita Nagar, Thandalam, Kanchipuram 602105.